Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to understand what is normalization of data in Excel. So by normalization of data, we mean that we are changing the range of the data into the range we want. For example, we have math score out of 75. Now let's say we want to see the score on a scale of 0 to 1. So we are changing the scale. So that what it means is known as the normalization. It is not necessary that we always change the scale from 0 to 1. Generally, it does mean 0 to 1, but we can also change to different ranges. So let's start with the formula. So the formula says x x, the normalized x, that is the value we will get, is equal to b minus a into x minus y whole divided by z minus y plus a. Now let's see what are a, b, x, y, and z. So y is the minimum value in current list. Z is the maximum value in current list. What is A? A is the minimum value we want to see in the new list. We want to see in new list. Okay. Now what is B? B is the maximum value we want to see in new list. Okay. And what is X over here? X is the cell value. So this formula is used when we have a different range. For example, 0 to 50, 0 to 100, 10 to 50, any range. So then we will use this formula. But generally normalization means that we bring down on a scale of 0 to 1. So let's see if our range is 0 to 1, how will our formula look like? So it will be maximum value in my new list, that will be 1, minus minimum value in my new list, 0, into x, that will be my cell, minus minimum value in my current list, that would be y, divided by z minus y, plus a is the minimum value in my new list, so that is 0. So after all calculation, it becomes x minus y upon z minus y. Okay, so the formula reduces to x, that is my cell value, minus y, that is my minimum value in my current list, divided by c, that is maximum value in my current list minus minimum value in my current list. So let's use this formula to calculate the normalized scores for maths and physics. So to use this formula, as we all know, we need max, min, and the difference between max and min. So let's calculate that first so that it becomes easier later. So max, min, and max minus min. So max of this range, minimum of this range, and the difference. So max minus minimum, that is 20. Similarly, we will do here. I'll just drag the formulas. Okay, so I got my answer as max 42, minimum 33, and the difference as 9. Okay, so now let's use this formula. So formula says is equals to numerator x, that is my cell value, minus y, that is my minimum value, divided by z, that is my maximum value minus minimum value, which we already have. So I'll remove the brackets and just use this. So I get 0.5. Before dragging, I will use the dollar sign so that it doesn't give me a error. Okay, so now I will drag this. Fine. Now let's normalize the physics score. That is equals to physics score yx minus y is the minimum value, that is 33, whole divided by the difference, which is 9. Sorry. Okay, so I get this answer. Let's use the dollars again so that we don't get an error. I hope you all know how to use the dollar sign. For dollar sign, you just need to press the function key plus F4. Now let's drag this and we get the score. We can just reduce the decimals. Okay. Now this is how we normalize score on a range of 0 to 1. You can practice yourself to normalize scores on different ranges, and you have any questions, then you can let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to help. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.